How to fix Wi-Fi network name not showing in Android phone. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi network name not showing on your Android phone, then first you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to simply go for network and internet. And under network and internet, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi. And once you turn on your Wi-Fi, now you need to scroll down and here you may have advanced settings. So you need to simply go for advanced settings and then you need to go for the manage network option. Or if you don't have that, you need to simply go for the network management, which might be available right here. So you need to simply tap on the Wi-Fi, which is on the upper side. Once you tap on the Wi-Fi, now you can scroll down and here you will have network preferences, right? Tap on network preferences and then you will have the Wi-Fi direct. You can tap on that and then you can choose your mobile device and you can go back, and under this you will have turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Then you need to simply toggle that on. Once you toggle that on, now here you will have your saved networks, right? You need to simply go for the saved networks, and under the saved networks you need to simply remove all of these networks that you have just saved. So you need to simply delete every one of that. Tap on cancel saving and then remove that. So once you've done all of these, then you can simply go back to the Wi-Fi and you can connect to your real Wi-Fi which you are just using right now, and your problem might be fixed. Once you've deleted all of your saved, you need to tap on add network and then you need to add your network name, your security, and then your advanced options, and then you can choose all of that. So if your Wi-Fi network name is not showing, then you can simply go for add one network and then you can add a network. And then you can go back and again go back, and under your settings you need to search for reset settings. So search for reset and here you will have reset options. Tap on reset options and again tap on reset options, and here you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on that and then you need to tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen. So once you tap on reset settings, your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth settings will be resetted and your problem will be fixed. So make sure to restart or reboot your phone after doing all of these settings and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.